demonstration.
This week, the holiday you win on Virgin won't put you in the bars of San Francisco. It'll put you behind them.
Welcome to Alcatraz.
In the last month, Virgin's Workforce Request has flown you to Canada, Scotland, Boston, and given away thousands of pounds worth of hi-fi.
The new CD from Global, Driving Rock, including Queen, Bad Company, ZZ Top, Whitesnake, The Steve Miller Band, Meatloaf, Spin Doctors, and Cher.
Check it out!
38 classic tracks for the open road.
Round and round it goes.
Every workforce we play
Who's gonna tell you when?
wins 4 copies of Driving Rock.
It's too late.
Get your workforce request into us now and stand by to win with Driving Rock and FM 105.8. Virgin.
Every year, over 200,000 motorbike enthusiasts converge on Daytona Beach, Florida for Speed Week.
Step ball.
Now you could join them.
Head out on the highway.
Get them to us. Your workforce requests.
Okay, let's do it.
Get your workforce request to us now, and we could be flying you to Boston, USA with Virgin Cola and FM 105.8.
Hey,
Virgin.
listen to me.
Fax your favorite songs to us now and get ready for the Virgin Workforce Request with Dino Records. The new album from Dino, Drive Time 2, 40 classic tracks.
Strap yourself in and get ready to freak. As the G-forces increase, you're dropped head first over high-pressure water fountains and spun around at 60 feet. Ramesses Revenge. Now, FM 105.8 Virgin is giving you the chance to ride Dr. Chessington's latest creation, Ramesses Revenge, at Chessington World of Adventures. Listen to Alive in London every night from 6:45.
Alright, love is kinda crazy.
We're planning to give one workforce office the loudest prize we could find, an incredible Philips mini hi-fi system and matching color TV.
I've been through the desert on a horse with no name.
Code 457, resisting arrest. 20 years.
The latest blockbuster film, Judge Dredd, has got it together with Virgin for this week's exclusive Workforce Request.
Look, I know the supernatural is something that isn't supposed to happen.
The movie that moved a nation.
Hello, my name's Forrest Gump.
Something happening here.
Hello, Mr. Gump. Isn't he beautiful?
What it is ain't exactly clear.
Forrest Gump, now available to buy on video. Get your workforce to us now, and you could win the new video, the soundtrack, and the book.
I named him after his daddy.
This is Graham Dean. Welcome to the Virgin Album of the Month. The nominated albums for July are Van Morrison, Days Like This, Rod Stewart, A Spanner in the Works, Bjork, Host, and Bon Jovi, These Days.
What a coincidence! There's one out here too!
Sylvester Stallone, Diane Lane, Rob Schneider, Judge Dredd.
At the end of the day, the only thing that counts is this.
Check out Judge Dredd and this week's Workforce Request only on FM 105.8 Virgin.